It's a more holistic approach, and I think that it has benefited me on all kinds of levels, both on becoming more, having more body awareness, being more connected to myself, and also I felt that I have a lot more tools that I can transmit to my students. And most importantly is that I felt more connected with my pelvic floor, and that, I think that was a game changer for me. You really connect yourself with every part of your body and you all make it one. And it's also about letting go and discovering your inner strength and your unique abilities. I was very excited to meet you in person, and the way that we all connected together and your approach is fantastic. And we feel it's kind of weird that this is ending. And yesterday, I have to tell you a secret, we actually started dancing in the street and changing in circles, and we were so happy and alive and excited. So that was the best thing, and that we didn't want it to end.